Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to see how we can handle error in Redux Haga. So sometime while making an API call, you might get an error if the backend environment uh, have some issue or backend environment is down. So in that case, whenever you are dealing with the API in your React application, so you want to basically handle the error as well if there is an server down, okay, like a network error or whatever the error is throwing, if your server is not running. So how you can handle this kind of error in your Redux Haga. So let's see how we can handle. So suppose uh, let's see the example, like uh, here we are getting the post, okay. So assume for some time this API is not working. So as of now, I'm using the JSON fake API to get the post. So to demonstrate you to how to handle error in a Redux Haga, so what I can do, so I will just do it mistake here. So I will do it hypo mistake here. So then it won't return your post, okay. So you can see you will not get post, okay. So you will encounter this basically uh, network error. So how you are going to handle this kind of error and display a proper error message in the screen. So let's see how we can do this, okay. So I will be doing in post Haga, where I'm fetching the post, okay. So to deal with the error in a Redux Haga, we basically to deal with the error in Redux Haga, we basically use try catch block, okay. So we can put entire this statement in a try, okay. Sorry, try, and this will be the closing, and we will having a catch, and let's see error. And if there is an error, then what I will do, I will dispatch another action like fetch saga post error, okay. And payload will be error dot message, okay. So whenever we will have error, so it will come into this hash block, and it will dispatch an action with this payload whatever the message we got, okay. So let's go into the reducer and just, so I will just put this on, okay. So I have initialized that error state, okay. And I will add a new case here in our reducer, sorry. So I will copy this action type, and I will return port, not port, sorry, it will be error, and the action dot payload, okay. So now let's see this one, okay, in action, okay. So I'll refresh this page and try to get post. So you can see uh, we are we were able to dispatch this new action from our Haga whenever the error occurred in our API. So you can see in the state that we have stored the error message like network error. Okay, so we can display this error message in our UI as well. So let's do it. So come to our index file in the counter, and above the button I wanted to show that message. Okay, so let's give it tag h5, and you can access the state.app.error.app, because in root reducer, our reducer basically have the key app. Okay, so with the help of state.app you can access the is reducer updated value. And I will give a class name here, a bootstrap class name I will give, so it look like a error message. Okay, so let's see, and I will refresh the page, and yep, we got this error message. So this way you can handle any error in your Redux Haga. So I hope you understand how you can handle error whenever you have any error in your API. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please press the like button and subscribe the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.